What's up, guys? Today, I'm going to show you how to play Roblox games on a Windows PC for free. Let's get started with a detailed step-by-step guide. First, open your web browser and navigate to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Roblox and initiate the search. From the list of search results, click on the very first link, which should direct you to the official Roblox website. Upon arriving at the Roblox homepage, you'll be greeted with a sign-up form. If you already have a Roblox account, you can easily log in by clicking on the login option located in the top right corner of the screen. Simply enter your username and password to access your account. However, if you are new to Roblox and need to create an account, the sign-up process is straightforward. Fill out the required fields in the sign-up form, which typically include your birthday, a preferred username, a secure password, and a gender selection. Once you complete these steps and agree to the terms and conditions, your Roblox account will be created. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the Roblox main screen, which showcases a wide array of games. Browse through the selection and click on any game that catches your interest. Upon selecting a game, you will see its main page, which includes information about the game, user reviews, and the play button. Click on the green play button to proceed. If this is your first time playing a Roblox game on your PC, a prompt will appear asking you to download the Roblox game launcher. This is a necessary step to play any game on Roblox. Click on the download button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to begin the installation process of the Roblox game launcher. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the launcher. This process usually involves agreeing to the license terms and selecting an installation directory. After the installation is complete, the Roblox game launcher will automatically execute, and the game you initially selected will start to load. If your game is not launching, there's an important step you can follow to potentially resolve the issue. First, access the Run dialog on your PC by pressing the Windows key plus R. In the Run dialog box, type App Data and press Enter. This action will take you to the App Data folder. Once you're in the App Data folder, navigate to the Local folder. Within the Local folder, look for the Roblox folder and open it. Inside the Roblox folder, find and open the Versions folder. In the Versions folder, you will find a file named something similar to Roblox Player Launcher.exe, or just Launcher. Double-click this file to manually launch the Roblox game launcher. This step can help in cases where the game doesn't start automatically after installation or when clicking the play button on the Roblox website. This expanded instruction provides a clear step-by-step guide for manually launching the Roblox game launcher, which can be particularly useful if automatic launching fails.